scarecrows creep you out? I don't know, they creep me out.
JRE, stop looking at my dumpy.
FBI, open up! What? Oh, man.
JRE.
Welcome back to Old K-Pop Fan Reacts. My name is JRE. I know people get offended when I say me. I don't know why people are offended that I say I'm old. Yeah, I'm old. Listen, it's not that I'm getting old. I'm still young. K-pop's getting younger, which means I'm getting older. ATEEZ, the new comeback. Oh my god. HALAZIA. Shout out to my girl Bertha. Shout out to my girl Aster. You already know. John, I see you. They ready for ATEEZ. Are you ready for ATEEZ? Oh, before I start, I will be having a K-pop and chill stream at 5 p.m. PST on Twitch. So if you want to join that, link in the description. Just follow Dre Gaming. I do game over there. I do play some games over there. But yes, I do talk about K-pop a lot there too. So anyways, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, I think this might be the last reaction of 2022. Anyways, ATEEZ, HALAZIA. HALAZIA! HALAZIA! ATEEZ, HALAZIA. Let's get it. Captions on. Bam! Let's go, KQ Entertainment. Got my little frappuccino, you know what I'm saying? I'll play. I'm about to be slayed. About to be... Ooh. Oh, Revolution. Ooh! Past stuff? That's Scarecrow. Does Scarecrows creep you out? I don't know, they creep me out. What in the... Ooh! What you losing about? Oh my... Wait. You can't just start like Goosebumps. Okay, Goosebumps. Already like some dramatic, epic movie Let's go, son. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I know this set, I think. HALAZIA. The sound of Love's breath. I wonder how Love's breath smells like. That's a random thought. I'm sorry. Whoa. It looks so chaotic. How you gonna be so pretty with that type of voice? I swear to God. Anyways. It's always those deep voices. It's always those deep voices. What you looking at? Ooh. 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 This feels like some type of it's like type of sermon. We summoning something. We summoning something. It has this epicness, like this build. Woo! Jungho, let's go. Ooh. What is that? Better get it. Hangjung. Hey, Mingy. Who are you? Okay. The sound of Love's breath. Ooh, that vocal. Let's go. Killing it in the back. That close up on the drum with the like gold sparkles. Bro, it's like we're going to war. We're literally going. We're literally going to war. New era, bruh. That shot is crazy off the bat. Just from the style. I'm sorry for pausing, but when I see a beautiful shot, just because everybody's in black, and then like gray in the background, but he's all in gray and white with white hair. Just stands out even. Oh, damn! He looked like he the one to save us all. Ooh, wait, hold up. The whole hat burning in his hand. That's kind of crazy, actually. Ooh, let's go ATEEZ. I love the dramatics. I like it when I get more dramatic with the music, like this, especially with the dancing and implemented into it. Ooh, okay, production. We already know where the money's going. Oh, that pickup. Oh, okay. Ooh, drum and bass type of pickup. What in the anime? Okay, first of all, that's not even done. Oh, they turned up. I have to watch that, look at my hair. I have to watch that, hype part again, because I was going crazy. What the A new day? Oh, don't creep back. Don't do that, don't do that. No. Don't do that. They said we coming back. They're all in white clothes now, no? Stop. Alright, let me go back quickly. I love the dramatics and the shots of this. Ooh, look at that one right there. Like when he's pulling. That's a dope shot. With the lighting, everything, I don't know, with post-production. Look at that. Bah. What the actual shit? That, you know what that reminded me of, low-key? Final Fantasy Advent Children, for some reason. That's such a random... I think... Is that how Sephiroth, like, came to be? Was he a dark mass in the beginning, in that movie? I think it's how... No. A lot of good scenes here, actually, but my favorite is still right here. It feels, it's so, like, I don't know how else to explain it, like, very, it feels kind of, like, religious, like, you know, like, the way that he says HALAZIA. Like, with the bells, especially in the background, too. This definitely looks like the apocalypse. Apocalypse? Is that what I was... Apocalypse.
Apocalypse?
I'm stupid. My bad. I couldn't say apocalypse. I'm dead. Jungho killed it. Per usual. Okay, son. Look at you. Doing your best to pull down that ball of mass. Mingy's hair is crazy though. Bro, I could never. Why? It gives me like Rengoku vibes, like the hair. Look at them! Oh, I miss ATEEZ. Actually. It's good to see them. Ooh, this shit go hard. This is a crazy shot. Right there. That's like a wallpaper actually. Alright, y'all put in the comments down below what you guys think of ATEEZ HALAZIA. Definitely one more of their darker music videos actually. I like it. It kind of feels like some epic battle that's about to happen. That's why it reminded me of Final Fantasy Advent Children, and I'm like actually all for it. The dance. Both rappers kill it, vocals, dances. It's ATEEZ. ATEEZ is always gonna give you a good time. I feel like whether you go to a concert, you could be a casual fan, you can have a good time. So It's always good to look forward to an ATEEZ comeback, whether it be a casual fan or ATEEZ. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE, old K-pop fan reacts. I'm gonna be live on Twitch later today, 5 p.m. PST. We're gonna do K-pop shows. Probably gonna be the last stream of the year. And yeah, see you in the next year. Happy New Year's, y'all. Happy holidays. Hope you had a good one. Bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.